Good morning. What's tripping you up today? What's been tripping you up for the last 2 weeks, the last 6 months, the last year? When I'm talking about the idea of being tripped up, I'm looking at what is causing you to no longer pursue your dreams and goals. And that allows you to make excuses and find fault in your dreams and goals and in the process of going after them. There's something tripping you up in your thinking, maybe. There's something tripping you up in your associates or the people that you have around you. There could be something tripping you up that's regarding your past or something to do with your past that you haven't gotten over or closed the door to or have forgiven and moved on from. What's tripping you up? Sometimes in life, when we're not making progress that we want to make, we're feeling more pain and less pleasure. We're feeling more anger and less enjoyment. Why is that? Because there's something tripping you up that only you know. And sometimes it can be very little, but it's still significant because it's holding you back from maximizing your potential and making progress in the direction of your passion. Today is the day to assess what's tripping you up. If you're making progress, that's awesome. Keep on keeping on. But for the majority out there that are trying to make progress and taking steps forward and being tripped up every 2 weeks or every month or every 6 months or every year, there is something forcing you to trip up and fall that you haven't addressed in your thinking, in your attitude, or in your past, or in you. There's something inside of you. Don't lose sight of what it is, because you can stop tripping yourself up and start moving forward knowing that you've addressed it. Have a great day.